back to my channel. So for today's vlog is ito na nga yung araw na uuwi na kami. So pagpasensyaan nyo na kung hagardosa tayo kasi nga dali. It's number 43. My God, pasutang airplane mga dan. Hello, chef. My God, first time. Me guys. So, nandito ako sa malapit sa may ano guys, ayun ho. So may window para kitang-kita natin. So mix yung emotion ko guys, kinakabahan na excited pero lalaban pa rin guys. So nasa likod sila ate guys. Ate, stress na.
Na ako. Over
Wait na. Hawakan mo at Bebch. So, mayroong isa pa dito guys. Hindi namin alam kung sino yung katabi namin. Pero, alam namin, kitang-kita nyo yung labas.
Madi.
Guys, ang boko nito ya guys. Gusto mong syuwain. Sobrang lamig guys kasi ayun na, nag-umusok-usok pa siya guys. Ayun. Kita nyo ba yan? Hagardo na siya ako. Pero paglalaban pa rin natin ito. talaga.
Siya sa ako ng season.
So update ko yung mamaya guys. Sorry kung hindi ako masyadong nakapag-vlog ng maayos kasi nga busy ako tapos stress na stress, excited, mix na. So update ko kayo mamaya. May pa-table si Mayor. Wait lang. Ayan. Meron pa gano'n. No? Tagaw, Ses? Tagaw?
Tawagin sa ako.
Makita dyan yung clouds diri oh. Sa Roman medyo
Hindi mo kasya sa Facebook.
mga kaibigan. Okay pang ano? Sophie! Hi to my vlog, bitch!
Mama, lipat!
Oh my God. Excited na talaga ako.
Papa!
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Sa ngalan ng Philippine Airlines, pupuso po namin kayo tinatanggap dito sa PR at 2P2987 patungong Tacloban. Mabuhay! Carrier, welcome to board PRN 2P2987, now ready to depart for Tacloban. Our pilot in command is on and grab your arms around your infant's waist. Your life vests are found under your seats. On a water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Slip vest over your head. Take tape around your waist. Push end to buckle. Pull waist tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the two inflation cords at the lower end. If life vest fails to inflate, blow into mouth tubes. Push pin inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The lamp will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water. In the unlikely event that emergency oxygen is required, oxygen masks will drop from above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull firmly towards you. Put over your nose and mouth, pull elastic band for a snug fit and breathe normally. Keep mask on until you're advised to remove it. If a child or other passengers near you need assistance, put your mask on first before assisting them. The emergency exits are clearly marked throughout the cabin. Locate the exits nearest you. These exits may be behind you. In case of power loss or smoke in the cabin, emergency lights and path markings will lead you to these exits during an evacuation. For further information, please study the safety card found in the seat pocket in front of you.
Here I am.
In preparation for takeoff, ensure your seatbelts are securely fastened, seat backs in upright position, large electronic devices like laptops and tablets stowed.
Uy, huwag mo tumayo.
Ayan na, dahil na tayo.
Okay, no? Di mo malipong. Ay, sad. Hi guys. My God. Super worth it. May
Ipakain sila dito guys.
clouds, syempre. Update you later guys.
But I can't help falling in love with you. Shall I stay? Would it be a sin if I can't help falling in love with you? Like a river flows surely to the sea, darling. So we know some things were meant to be.
We're here in Tacloban.
I-chat sa si Jeff ba? Inatakloban na ta. Sorry sa pabot.
Katugatin. Here in Tacloban. So i-update ko kayo mamaya guys pag sa bahay na.